2 days day off to finish this one. This is also my place to do the laundry, and I'll be washing again with our power washing machine. I took 2 days off to do the laundry again for the children because they ran out of clothes already. They're using this powerful washing machine again because our washing machine is broken. Still have to wait for the parts to arrive. I've already ordered already the inlet valve. I hope it will arrive soon, so I can use the washing machine again. Until then, this will be our top load power washing machine powered by legs, pedal. It's like a pedal, and it's a rainy afternoon. Pouring in solid soap. And bleach to remove the viruses that is stinging to the clothes. This is powered by one leg. It's called the one leg power. If you like to use it 2 legs, then you can do so. We call the two leg power.